Hi, I'm Brian and you're watching Someplace or Another. And today we're at Pioneer Harvest Fiesta in Fort Scott, Kansas. Hopefully I got that right. Let's go check it out. Got a little steam engine running. Not hooked to anything though. It's a case. Check out that beast. The killer tomato. Comfortably numb. That was pretty cool. Let's go see what else we can find. Big old pile of corn. This is something I haven't seen about yet.
Once we transfer power from the wheels to the machine, we'll use that clutch, that long handle sitting out. So you can operate it back here, and then the smaller lever strong.
Okay.
So there are 5 speeds. You're only going to see 4.
I would call that a lawnmower with an attitude. We do have a sawmill. Maybe I'll catch it running later. John Deere Model B 60. Minneapolis Moline. Massey Harris Challenger. That's an oldie. Oliver Row Crop. Heart and Par. That one's really old. Well, actually, let me draw, right? That was 1930. Okay, who do you think's older? Get your vote in. Whoa. Did you get that right? Oh, they're running. That thing is processing a lot of corn really fast. Looks like they got a flea market. Cool. Well, hit and miss engine section is a little bit small. I stand corrected, there's more. Whoa. Alright, you guys ain't gonna believe this. This is sliding back and forth on the wood making that noise. They fired up the engines for me. Now they're working on the Maytag. Let's see if we can get it running. Well, it looks like they were unsuccessful. We won't get to see the cans getting crushed. That old Maytag just would have nothing to do with starting right now. That is pretty cool though. I saved the best for last. I was gonna go home, but I think they're gonna fire up the threshing machine. So I'm gonna hang around. You guys are all backlit. Although, maybe not. All right, I think they're pretty close. We'll give it a couple minutes. Okay, where's the cruising? That's the piece that made all the smoke. I mean, all dirt. Thanks for watching today's adventure. I will see you guys someplace or another. You guys have a great day.